Even like she's wearing
there's a
that.
police. Go back, there's a police right there.
Yeah. He's like, 发不动哎，他想了。That's good.
Really good, like productive.
Yeah. Oh. 我在麻将。I like this guy.
How's that?
Because he's got like how do you call that? Not nerdy, but it's kind of like you can't place him. You know what I mean? You can't fit him in any category. And like that's cool. He's not trying to be somebody he's not. At least from what I can see. Yeah. Oh, that's a shitty ass mic booth. You see the air conditioner? You got the AC in the background.
Yeah.
There's an AC right there. I think that's AC. No. Oh, no. They've got it.贴在墙壁上. Yeah. Wait, Tool Man? Is that his name? Yeah.
What?
No.
What's
I was feeling you until you called yourself Tool Man. Did I say Tool Man? Go back.
Tool
Man.
Oh, 工具人.
Okay.
No. That means like you know 工具人 means in Taiwan 工具 means like girls always use you as a other purpose, like buying them a breakfast.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Got you. All right, we're good then. I thought it was like his name. I was like, bro.
Oh.
The flow is really cool. It's really smooth.
Yeah.
You gotta do some of that hair though. Woo! Oh, he even got that little English fire. Oh, this guy can fucking rhyme. Yeah, and also, there's too much. You see, they all got this.
What's that?
Like they got Tourette. Like Thriller. I think it's because they don't know what to do with their hands, so it's like a. I like how he's like, my hair keeps getting cold, come down. Man, the girls in Taiwanese hip hop come hard, like not that kind of. Like, they come hard with the lyrics, man, and their swag. Like they always look 100% legit.
Yeah.
Even like she's wearing
there's a
that.
police. Go back, there's a police right there.
Yeah. He's like, 发不动哎，他想了。She's dope, man.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man. So far, every video I've seen that features like a girl rapper, she's always been on point. I can't criticize anything.
Yeah.
He looks confused.
Okay.
I like they keep changing up the beats, man. This is cool.
Yeah.
This is how like we like if you ever listen to like a hip hop mixtape, it may be the same rapper or rappers, and then they have a DJ in the background and he's just changing up the beats.
Oh.
Like he may go from one song, maybe 3 or 4 different songs, and then the rappers have lyrics that are suitable for like maybe that particular song, or they just flow all the way through.
Oh.
But it keeps you on your game because the song is different, right? You may be different tempo, a different style, like old school or trap or whatnot. This reminds me of a little bit of grime.
Grime?
Grime is like UK's answer to hip hop, or their version of hip hop. So like the beats are a little bit faster. You got to rap really, really fast. But grime is like, I think a couple artists are Skepta. Who else? Oh, I can't think of his name, but all I do is flex. I don't need a reason. Whatever his name is, that guy. Okay. But it's a different style of music that's very, very specific to UK hip hop scene.
Okay.
Dizzy Rascal, that's his name, Dizzy Rascal. No auto-tune, man. No auto-tune. Come on.
It's good.
You see it? No. They're like 2019 Cypher. 你还在拍吗？你还在拍？别看，看久。We're just joking, but like this video is fire. This video is real fire. These kids have got some skill, good video production, good music production. I'm assuming like that their own producer because they show Logic. I hope they're using Logic in the background.
Yeah.
We're just making jokes because we're doing reactions and whatnot. But like overall, this video is pretty dope. And I like the songs. I think the raps are cool. Old girl, like she come correct. Like every time, it's always the girls who have the best raps.